Hello, good morning all. So once again we are going to deal with 4.2, very fine novel given to you. The name is To Sir with Love. Now here the author is, the narrator is very finely. Before I start, I will give a slight introduction exactly what the thing you are going to deal with. Okay, so here our writer is Eustace Edward Ricardo Brathwaite. Now here he is a very fine novelist. Okay, so here you are going to deal with racial discrimination faced by him. Okay, so instead of wasting my time, I'll start with the introduction. The introduction is here is that he is very famous. Okay, and he is born in Guyanese. Okay, very finely born Guyanese British American novelist. He is a writer, teacher, diplomat, a best known for his stories. Okay, and the social conditions which are faced by the blacks. Okay, the racial discrimination and their harassment faced by the black people is being clearly highlighted through his work. So one of his famous thing was he has given in 1959, that is autobiographical novel To Sir with Love. Now here he is dealing exactly what was it is a fiction. Okay, and with the reality he has shown the harassment which is faced by him. Okay, and various other work also he has done, A Kind to Homecoming and many more. So basically he highlights the treatment which the black people get due to the color. Okay, and that gives a feeling of bitterness. Living in the hometown, he feels insecure. In the inhuman treatment is given. Okay, he is a simple black social worker. Okay, a black teacher and a simple human being who has found himself inhuman. He has not got a humanity treatment. The basic treatment, the circumstances was totally against him. Okay, even though it was his hometown. Okay, so again, this To Sir with Love, an autobiographical novel given to you, highlights basically Brathwaite's work, that he was a engineer. Okay, but due to certain conditions he was a person who worked in the Royal Air Force. Okay, and due to the after Second World War he was in search of job, and somehow he had to accept the job of a teacher in a school. Okay, so this school was such a school where all the students who are completely who are completely troublesome, none of the school will accept these types of students. They are, because of their behavior, no one wants these types of students in this school. He gets a job and his work is to give his best. Okay, and you can't believe, to an extreme level he has maintained the thing that with the calm attitude he had a desire to see the success of the students in their life. Okay, the starting when he joined was completely ridiculous for him. The harassment was done by both boys as well as the girls in the school. Gradually when he completely changed his ideology how to deal with these types of students, slowly and steadily with lots of patience, then he got an gratitude, a respect from them. Okay, so that is the basic content of the novel. So further I will move with the summary of the novel point wise. Okay, the first point I would like to highlight is that To Sir with Love is a work of fiction as well as based on the life of the author. Okay, he is an engineer and works in the Royal Air Force. After the war, even though he was educated, he is an engineer, he worked in a reputed firm, but he was in search of a job, and being in that colonialism, being in that situation, he got a bitter feeling, and that all things he highlighted. Okay, second points I would like to say is that after the situation changes, he was unable to find a job after Second World War. Okay, So the circumstances made him to accept a job of a teacher, and he was supposed to teach senior class where the students were the worst. The behavior was not at all good, and with lots of patience in him, he was able to handle the students, and later he also got the respect from them. For the next point I would like to say is that here we are going to deal with the basic thing, that is discrimination done with Braithwaite, and he talks about the period when the condition was like that. During of that period he is saying, okay, in 1959 he says that he was working as a Royal Air Force officer, working there, but was not considered one of them. He as a brother, okay, or a second or the right hand in that way, okay. A treatment, a feeling of the treatment due to the color that gave a feeling of bitterness in his mind, in his heart, and that distracted him, and naturally the mentality and everything changed, okay. And after that the same thing he got from the students where he joined. So all the discrimination he holded, and with lots of patience he moved towards with the target that he want to had a desire to give success to the students. Further, in the next point he says the teaching experience was very bad in the starting. The harassment and the ill-mannered student, the misbehavior, and he was being considered as an arrogant outsider. He was not given, the social environment was very bad. Somehow it was very disgusting for him. Further I would like to say the students harassed him from day one, okay. During the lecture they were banging the desk, using bad language in the classroom, and harmed him at the extreme level. Even the girl students harmed him very badly, okay. He just scolded the girls to behave like a mannered, okay, in that way. Further, next I would like to say that Braithwaite came to know now the time has come. He has to change the tactics to handle these types of students. So he decided to give a worthful respect, to talk to girls with miss, and slowly and steadily the situation changed, and the students also showed a positive approach, okay. It took weeks, it took lots of time for him, okay. It was just useless for him to teach them, but then too he had not lost the hope, because it was his duty to show the thing that I am here for your success, a desire to get the success, okay. And in a very peaceful manner he moved towards his target. Further, in the next point I would like to say that to improve, he took the students to the field where such as museum trips, and the most surprising thing was that he had a white teacher as a partner, Gillen Blanchard, okay, on all the trips. This beginning of the friendship between both of them was very nice, and it helped him a lot, okay. So every time he has to prove himself, he was tested by the students. As the student used to disappoint him, hurt him, but then too he used to forgive them, okay, because other than that there was no way. He has to be there because this all things takes the time. Further, he says that slowly and steadily the students matured. They showed the ability to understand his feeling, okay, and the knowledge. Lastly, I would like to say that the story has a great effect on the colonialism, the thing that is what the black people has felt, the consequences affected the mental and had a physical trauma which increases the hatred in his mind, anger towards the British. He got the feeling as the situation towards him was very harmful during that period, okay. And was even though living in the England, the condition after Second World was gave a negative experience frequently, and this all shaped the thoughts and which was been implemented through the action, and it can be seen through his work. So very clearly I would like to say that the conditions which he faced with him being a black is been nicely highlighted through the work. So according to me, To Serve with Love is a very fine masterpiece for you all to have an interaction which how the conditions are there in the society. Okay, and this thing is given very truthfully, that the clear visualization what he faced was being highlighted through his work. So here I would like to say the next lecture I will take the theme of the novel. Okay, so I stop here. If you have liked it, please share it, subscribe it. Thank you students and the listeners. I hope you have liked it. Thank you.